Hello traders, welcome to the Slow Profits Club. Here we only focus on the swing trading. We analyze the market for long-term trading. We've been trading for a while now, and for those people who are tired of blowing up their accounts, and you've been trading only on the lower time frame, the 1 minute time frame, the 5 minute time frame. We will not discourage you from trading there, but there are a lot of emotions. You're tired of blowing your account and you're angry like there's something wrong that I'm doing. But on the higher time frames, on the daily time frame, the monthly time frame, you check the market is quite clear. You know where the market is heading. There's some sort of clear direction. You can see here on the BTC USD. On the slow profits, we focus on the cryptocurrencies, the forex markets, the stock market, and anything else that we can trade. For example, the BTC reacted to this support, small support here, 64,000. The market has been going up to recently. It was last year, September. The market made a double top. Then it came down. It's still down. The market is still down. You can see that the market is trending downwards. If you make a small trend line, just make this trend line here. And see this trend line here. Okay. So basically, we have a trend line here from that is coming down. It has been touched twice. We're waiting for it to touch thrice. At least if a trend line has been touched thrice, that's a very valid trend line. So there's a sub resistance here on the 82,488, and there's support on the 60,000. If the market comes back and breaks down on this 60,000 and makes a retest, or it goes to this level 53,000, then we are good to see Bitcoin really go down and down. But for now, the market is reacting. It's starting to form something like it wants to go up from the resistance. So we are waiting to see what is the reaction. If it comes back, makes a long week over retest, we are good to go in up to 82,000. Let's check on the monthly time frame of let's remove this trend line. So basically on the monthly time frame, you can see clearly that where the market is supposed to turn is on the 60,276. Make a turn, a good turn, and go up. But on the weekly time frame, you can see the market has reacted from here. And if you go down to the daily time frame, the last time frame that we can use is the daily time frame for the swing traders. Yes, you can see there was a good support. So we are waiting for the market to make a retest here. Then we go up to 82,000. If it breaks here, we go down to 53,000 as seen on the monthly time frame. Let's go back to Forex and check what is happening there. Let's see. So for the GBP USD, for traders for the Forex market, the GBP USD has been ranging for a very long time. You see on the GBP USD on the monthly time frame, the market has been having a shoulder. It has decided that This shoulder is not going to be broken soon. Since 2022, the market has had a shoulder that has been going for up to now. And if you check inside, there's a trend line that has been touched thrice. So we are waiting for the market to break this trend line, come here. If it's strong, it breaks the outer trend line, make a retest, and we are good to go to 1.20. If it breaks up, we are good to go again to 1.40. If we check on the weekly time frame, I would advise traders that the swing trading is quite simple. There's nothing much you can do. Just see the support and resistance. Once it has been broken, look out and watch out for the retest. Once you have the retest, that is it. Just have your money, make 5%, 10% return for a few weeks, few days, twice in a month, and that is enough. For the people who are very busy, the civil servants, if you are going to work every other day, you don't have to check the charts every now and then. That is one peaceful thing about swing trading. If you are tired, your eyes are tired of looking for the charts from Monday to Friday, kindly go up to the higher time frames. You see here, there is a clear support and resistance. We are waiting for the GPP to break this resistance. Then we get some serious pips down or up. Okay, stop chasing trades. That's where you find the fear of missing out the FOMO. If you go down to 1 minute time frame, a 5 minute time frame, there's a lot of noise that will confuse your head. Have a plan. In trading, the first thing that you need for you to succeed, always have a plan. Have a plan of the time frame. What do you want to see in the markets? For us, we check here. We want to see that these barriers, the two barriers, the resistance and the support has been broken and there's a retest. Then we can enter that market all the way down to where we see there is going to be a reaction from the market. But for the lower time frame, there are so many things that you must look out for. Once there is a fair value gap, you must see where the market will react from that point. You check on the order blocks whether it's valid. The market can be crazy. Although the news, the fundamental analysis, you must make a very good fundamental analysis, whether you're a swing trader or a scalper. For the scalp traders, more often than they overlook the fundamental analysis. That is where the CPI news will always deal with them. But on the swing trading, more often, the news makes a small spike that you don't even realize that there were news on that market. Okay. So traders, one thing I would recommend for a trader who is struggling right now, kindly move up to the higher time frames. Move to the daily time frame, move to the monthly time frame. This is our first video we are making here. We plan to make greater videos to ensure that the market, the forex trading becomes quite simple. Do not complicate your trading. Always ensure that you have a simpler way of trading your market. You may spend less time, there's less stress. Take care of your mental health, because if you meet more chaos, you're losing money, it becomes really stressful. Many people have lost their large capital on the market, and you need to run away from excitement and make consistent profits. Just know that there are no large profit that comes once from forex market. You must be consistent. Just make 5% return, 1% return, 2% return. That is money. If you do that calculation in a year, you'll be much better. There is no other market that can give a very good rates if you compare with the money market and any other investment that you have done. The forex market will always give you the best return if you are consistent in profits, but you must have a plan of what you want to do. So traders, you want to, let's go down to the 4-hour time frame on the GBP USD. Just check what was happening last week. Usually the market came here, retested here, make a double bottom, go up, make a retest, and go up again. But as a swing trader, what you need to do is check on the 1.3433 as is on the support of this trade. We are waiting for it to break, go up, make a retest, then we are in. One main virtue that you need in trading is patience. You need to be clear in your mind. That is why we don't go down to the 1 minute, 5 minute time frame, because there's a lot of noise, confusion, and so many things that will play with our emotions. So traders, welcome to this channel. Follow our channel. We will only focus on the swing trading analysis. This is our first video. We are not going to make much analysis, but it was just an introduction of what we do. We are going to focus on the forex market, focus on the crypto market, and also the fundamental analysis. We'll always analyze the news that we expect to come next week, this week, and any other week. And if you're a struggling trader, you're a beginner that you've never seen any profit, make sure that you follow this channel. We grow together. We have been trading for more than 5 years, and we started as scalpers. And the research that we have done is that if you are trying to run away from emotions and so many things that happens, you will need to ensure that you come to the larger and the higher time frames. We start from the monthly, we finish at the 4-hour. We don't go down below the 4-hour time frame. Thank you traders, follow our channel. Let's meet next time.